Hello and welcome to a little POV video with the really fun re-release Kyosho Ultima, and what a fun little buggy this is. Now quickly, this is actually running the exact same setup you saw in our build videos, so a Power HD R12 servo and the great little Kyosho Speed Brushed ESC, which you can pick up for not very much at all and are great for your projects. And of course we've got the Kyosho G22 brushed motor, and personally I think this is a brilliant classic setup, giving you a fun top speed of 15 miles per hour, running on 2S. Now one thing we've mentioned before is that this motor is super torquey, to the point where you're just popping wheelies off the line. So to combat that, we've actually put a 70-gram weight in the front of the buggy, which really helps hold the front end down, meaning the front wheels are still in contact with the ground when you want to use the steering, and we are still playing around with that weight. But also, I think we can sacrifice some of that torque for a bit more top end speed by simply swapping out the pinion, which we'll be doing in the next episode with the Ultima and seeing just how much of a difference that makes. But that's it. Enjoy the rest of the video, thank you for watching, and see you soon.